Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Astro A50 docking station is not working, it can be really frustrating, especially when your headset won't charge, won't connect, or the lights don't show up as expected. Many users think the dock is faulty, but in most cases, the issue is something simple, like improper alignment, connection problems, or a firmware glitch. Since the A50 dock handles both charging and wireless connection, even a small issue can affect everything. The good part is that, with a few quick checks and fixes, you can get your docking station working again without needing a replacement. Try these. Step 1. Check the USB cable connection between dock and console or PC. Step 2. Restart your console or computer. Step 3. Properly place the headset on the dock. Step 4. Clean the charging contacts on dock and headset. Step 5. Update or reset the Astro A50 firmware. Step 6. Test charging and connection again.